Check out this 2020 Dodge Challenger. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Drive with attitude in the uncompromising Challenger, the muscle car with a menacing stance and a fierce heart. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.